Welcome back to the course. In the previous video, we covered the network scanning concepts. In this lecture, you will know about the scanning tools, where we will discuss about the tools which are required during the scanning phase. So before knowing about the tools, let's talk about what are actually the scanning tools. Scanning tools are used to scan and identify the live host, open ports, running services on a target network, location information, net BIOS info, and information all about the TCP IP and UDP open ports. The information obtained from these tools will help an ethical hacker in creating the profile of the target organization and scanning the network for open ports of the devices connected. Now, there are various tools which come in handy during our scanning phase, some of them being Nmap, Zenmap, Nikto, OpenVAS, Nessus, HPing3, and Metasploit. These tools are actually divided for various purposes. As we talked before, there are like three types of scanning. They are vulnerability scanning, network scanning, and port scanning. So the port scanning thing we can do from the Nmap and Zenmap, as well as the HPing3 and Metasploit. For vulnerability scanning, we can use the Nikto tool, OpenVAS, and the Nessus tool. Now, to know about the usage of the tools and their arguments, we can use a command named as man followed by the tool name. For example, over here we are using man command on the Nmap tool. Now, this lists us the manual page for the tool where we can get the name, the synopsis, and the description, as well as if we just scroll down below, we can see that we can get the various kinds of arguments which we can use through the nmap command. The Zenmap tool is actually the GUI based version of Nmap, which we can see over here. For someone very new to Linux command line, he can prefer using the Zenmap tool, which has an option for profile over here for intent scan and various different kind of scans. We will talk about the usage of these tools in depth in the later videos. Same we can do for the Nikto command, where we can get about the information and about the usage of this tool. We can spawn Metasploit using the MSF console command, and we can use the auxiliary modules for the scanning purposes. We can use the search command which is available by default in Metasploit, followed by the search term. For example, we will search for port scan over here, and we can see that we get a lot of auxiliary modules as a result, which can help us in performing the port scanning. Now, these tools have preferences of each user depending on the ease of for them. So that's all for this video. In the later videos, we will talk about everything which these tools will help us with. Thank you for joining with us.